Right, in this video, a very quick one really, nothing really to it. I'm propping up this boot cover on the I-20 with my trusty old water pipe because I want to change the strut on it. Basically, one of the struts have worn. Now, EXP had this in the garage, so I can't remember which one it was changed, but I can see EXP there, so that was the one that probably was changed. And this is the old one. It looks a bit more manky and old, as you can see. Probably is this one that's worn. Alright, so if I remember rightly, pull that clip apart. This clip here, so I'm not giving you a very good view. Pull this clip out, and then we'll see from there. Don't really remember what mechanism it is. So this is a 2009-2010 model, Mark 1, and that's the part number 81770-1J000. Lifter assembly tailgate, left hand side. Okay. Yep. So that's the left hand side. Left hand. Oh, they send me another left hand one. I thought I need a right hand one. This may not work. Let me have a look. Well, I might as well swap the left since I've only got a left. Just push a screwdriver in the gap and it just pops out. Wedge it in. Like that. So it feels like the left hand one I changed before is okay. Nothing I can do about it. Just have to put a new left hand one on, which is silly really. The right that's broken. Stick is not going to help me get my head crushed. Right. Need two people up here. Oh, hang on. That's helped a lot. It's helped quite a bit. He needs another right hand one. Because this owner of this car has not really looked after it. It's all sorts of little jobs that anyone can do. Not being done. Anyway, that's how you do it. So just found out the worn one easily rotates. The new one does not rotate, so there's really no left and no right. You can twist them around. So I'm just going to do the same on the other side. I'm sure that the boot will be alright. I'll show you the result. And there we go. Works properly again. There we go. As it should do. Not bang you on the head or force you to live in or be uncomfortable putting shopping in. So that's how easy it is. Thanks for watching. Put one of these electrical screwdrivers in there. Pull that metal clip forward. It doesn't come all the way out. Have someone to hold the boot if you want, or you could do what I did, put something in the way. It just pops out really. You can put some grease in there if you want. You can oil it, but it should be fine. Thanks for watching.